Large pores are a very common skin problem. Unfortunately, they attract other skin issues too, like acne and blackheads, more so in people with an oily skin. Now if you are wondering what causes enlarged pores, then friends, let us tell you that excess sebum, dirt, and bacteria accumulated in the skin are the main culprits here. Today in this video I am going to share, how can we shrink your pores with DIY rose water. Let's start preparation of DIY rose water. Take couple of red or pink rose, and pick out the petals. Now wash the petals with clean water. And then take cup of water, and pour in a ladle. Add petals into it. Boil it for 5 minutes. Let it brew. Let it cool down and cover it with lid. Now strain the water and pour it in a clean bottle. DIY rose water is ready for use. You can save it up to 1 month in refrigerator. Spray this water on your face 2 to 3 times a day. We all know a rose is the flower of love, luxurious, fragrant and eternally romantic. But this iconic bloom is more than just a pretty face. It's also an amazingly effective skincare ingredient, known for its nourishing, skin-soothing properties. Due to the astringent-like properties it possesses, rose water helps clean pores and tone the skin. Applying rose water after steaming tightens capillaries, reduces redness and blotchiness. The aroma of roses is said to be a powerful mood enhancer.